We have Polygon, symbol MATIC, M-A-T-I-C, versus the dollar. And we have what seems to be a continuation of the breakout that we identified from, I think, like a week and a half ago. It was either on my channel or on Elio's channel, of which, well, we still do have a measure move available on this after the perfect retest actually of the breakout trend line at about 176. Which is pointed up a lot further north, pretty much to just ever so slightly new all-time highs at around $3, or just under $3 in this case. I am more or less bullish on this one on all higher term time frames as long as you are above this same pivot, 176 on a spike low, or on a closing basis about 185, it looks like. Looking at the daily right here, I'm just looking at continuation. Again, volatility is still expanding, and I judge that from the moving average, not from the actual BBWP itself. And in that case, it does still retain its positive curvature. Just want to see it actually maintain above 50 percentile. That would look really, really good for the next leg. 12-hour is just confirming another higher low right here. I mean, that looks really, really good. Again, this higher low coming in on declining volatility. I just want to see that tick up on this next move past the current high of the rally. 4-hour, same thing. It already did it. Contracts all the way in here and then boom, spike up. And what do we have? We have a bit of a short-term range, obviously. That range being between about 212 and a half, and the same low side that we just identified on the daily. Now, if we do start to see 4-hour delta closures above that 212.5 or 213 region, I would be looking for, just a general sideways and up around that measure move. There likely will be one more short-term pullback area along the way. That would be somewhere around about 2.5 or 245 or so. But long term, I still like it, obviously. Weekly is not bearish, is the technical term for this. In fact, maybe fucking bullish. And by the way, that measure move also directly in line with the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Long term, this thing can probably run, but I would be expecting that, assuming that even gets to $3 to begin with, if you're going to be looking at the more deep targets over time, that's probably going to be like months and months away. So I don't think it's too relevant right now. Perhaps we go look at it over here as well, just to see. Just to see if consolidation on the short-term time frame is more likely, if this one wants to trend like again right now. 4-hour Stokes remain to the upside with volatility pointing in the same direction as long as above $2. Okay, good. Daily will pop back up above 209. All right, so that is within striking distance today, but technically not above right now. And 12 hours actually freshly crossing up as long as we're above about $2 as well. So $2 does seem to be a nice little short-term pivot. As long as you're above there, yeah, I suppose it does have a threat of continuation to new highs on this rally. I suppose from today, again, I do believe that today for Bitcoin specifically, you're probably looking at the move if it's going to happen. I think at latest at end of the week. So hopefully that's helpful. And there you go for MATIC.